Hi! In front of me is Lenovo tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this device. You need to start by opening Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and access Notifications. Then click on App Settings at the top. Click on Most Recent and select the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps instead and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all Gmail notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!